This is prime real estate right here. It is a 1-bedroom. It's 144 square feet. It has an open concept floor plan. As you can see, it opens up to the main room, which is 10 acres of beautiful land for the horses to roam. This home is in a great location. You know what they say about real estate: location, location, location. It has a great foundation. While the foundation is great, the landscaping is not quite where I want it. This home was built on quite a steep slope, so in order to make the house level, which of course you want a level house, I am filling in tons of rock and earth, wheelbarrow by wheelbarrow. It has an adorable metal roof. I guess I should introduce you to the owners. This is Willow and Dakota. They are loving this amazing grass hay in their kitchen. I enjoyed giving you a tour of this amazing home. If there's any homes that you'd like to see, I'm always available. My contact info is below.